back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making another Dollar Tree Christmas DIY. I'm gonna be using these finally because I've had these sitting in my craft room forever. You're only gonna need one box of these. You could probably buy two just in case you mess up, or in case like some of these like that I had were like super like bent and flimsy. So maybe it's your best bet is just to buy two of these. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna get started and show you what I'm gonna be making. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just lay all of these little Jenga blocks out. I am doing a row of 8, and then I'm just going to paint these brown, and this is going to be the stem of the tree. I don't care if you don't want to do all the things that I do, I only want to be the one who makes you feel so good, so I'm trying to figure out where all of the pieces are going to fit, but I stumble in the dark when I am not with you. And then I'm going to be using this green, it's holly branch, and I'm going to be painting the tree this color. I did do a different color at first, and then I tried to do like a gel wax, and it just didn't work out. I did not like the color of it. It was just way too light. And so anyways, so how I did this was I did 2 rows of 5, and then I connected all of the Jenga blocks together just with hot glue, and then I did 2 rows of 4, 2 rows of 3, and then 2 rows of 2, which equaled out to 36 blocks total for this whole entire thing. And once the paint was all dry, I just took everything and then I was just kind of laying it out and then making sure I centered everything up just to glue it on. And I did get some paper on the back of some of these, and I thought I would just go back later and then just repaint the back sides. But you can't even tell. You can just tell because we are putting this together right now. But this was such a simple and easy DIY to do. It did take a little bit just to wait for the paint to dry, and I do not like waiting for paint to dry, but I was so happy with the way this turned out just using a $1 box of blocks. I don't mind if you need to figure some things out by yourself. As long as you're committed to me. And I'm just going to be using this little white bucket. I think I got this from Target a long time ago, but I know they still have them in the party section for only $1. And then I just got some floral foam and then just squished my tree right in, and then I'm just throwing some Spanish moss at the bottom. And then I still have a couple pieces of this buffalo check ribbon left over, so I just thought I would use it for the top. It's a little fringed out, but I thought that still looked really cute no matter how that looked. And now I'm just going to be adding some ornaments onto this. I'm going to use these little red trucks with the trees. These came from Walmart. And then I'm just going to be using a bunch of these little wooden beads. I had these and I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them, or I had a different craft in mind, but I decided to use these as little bulbs for the tree to make it look a little more rustic. But I think these turned out so cute. Not somebody else, somebody else. I'm trying to figure. But that's it for my video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!